Hi cookbook friends, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and Japanese home cooking is one of my recent library hauls, and I can't wait to look through with you. It's Simple Meals, Authentic Flavors by Sonoko Sakai, photographs by Rick Poon. Let's check it out. I don't often cook Japanese food at home, and I live in Seattle, so I have all sorts of wonderful Asian grocery stores nearby to make it easy to pick up the supplies that I would need, so I have no excuse. This is from Roost Books, 2019. Ooh, it's so far so beautiful. Let's check out the table of contents. Part 1, the Japanese pantry, of course. Dashi, seaweeds, rice and other grains, noodles and bread, beans and legumes, eggs, pickles and ferments, herbs and aromatics, everyday okazu, pantry recipes. Part 2, okazu, sweets and beverages, so breakfast, vegetables, grains, fish, meats, dumplings, noodles, and savory pancakes. I'm looking forward to that. Sweets, beverages, and we're at the end. So, I never read the introduction before I look through a cookbook with you, so I'll have to go back and read it later. That way I don't spoil anything for you. This is a very long introduction. Here's a section on the principles of Japanese cooking. Good to know. Kitchen equipment and tableware. That is too beige for me, but I admit I need some bamboo steamers. I just wouldn't display them in a beige cupboard. I need color, as you can tell. Now, the Japanese pantry. Okay. Dashi, fragrant broth. I've never made my own. I see some seaweed. Kombu dashi. Bonito and kombu dashi. Now, I can't use bonito flakes myself because I'm a vegetarian and they're made out of fish, but you could. Oh, here's how to make dashi pickles. This section is preserving the dashi tradition with yagicho hanten. I probably just slaughtered that pronunciation. Here's a section on seaweeds, very important. I love seaweed, but that's a hard sell for people that don't. It's really hard to get yourself to like it if you don't. Here's the section on rice and grains. Basic multigrain rice. Here we're getting to learn about some noodles. Step-by-step photos, you know I love those. These look so good, udon noodles. I've never made them by hand. Looks like a lot of work. Ramen noodles, dumpling wrappers, Japanese milk bread. I did not expect to see that recipe in here. Yum. She is talking about the heritage grain movement and some people she's met in the industry. Here's the beans and legumes section. Some more step-by-step photos. Love it. Tofu pressing to get the water out. Here's the egg section. Whoa! Is that the biggest piece of tamago I've ever seen? What is that? That looks amazing. Okay, marinated soft-boiled eggs. Ooh. I'll try them. Sounds kind of weird and gross. Pickles and ferments. That is so in right now in 2021, isn't it? I feel like everybody's pickling right now. Step-by-step photos. Love it. So this is not well, it's not a traditional cookbook, but I'm sure getting a lot of recipes in here. Fermented koji salt, something I would probably never personally make at home. I'm pretty busy, but you could. Quick cured Napa cabbage, pickled. Here's the seasonings and condiments section. This is very comprehensive. If you want to be way better at Japanese cooking, I would definitely grab this. Shoyu tare, soy sauce based seasoning, ponzu sauce. It would be nice not to have to buy salty soy sauce at like an American grocery store. Herbs and aromatics. Okay, here's the pantry recipes. Huge section. Lots of stuff going on. For example, 2 basic soups. Suimono clear soup and Mishishiru miso soup. I have made my own miso soup before. That was rewarding. Here's a soup with manila clams and shiitake mushrooms. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Not a lot of pictures for every recipe, but the pictures are so good I'm not going to complain. Kombu cured Thai snapper sashimi. Here's inari sushi seasoned fried tofu stuffed with sushi rice. Sounds good. No. Oh, yeah, there's a picture. Grilled onigiri, rice balls. I've never grilled mine. That sounds good. Here's a how to throw an impromptu onigiri lunch party with photos. Love it. Here's vegetables and chicken rice. Oh, my boyfriend would love that. This might be the first thing I make out of this cookbook. Grilled ginger chicken with shoyu tare. Now we're getting into the serious recipes. Oh, look at this beautiful soba salad with kabocha squash and toasted pepitas. That looks amazing, especially for autumn, which is coming up. Here's some nice step-by-step photos. Love it. Here's a beef shirataki and potato stew. Good for winter and autumn. Japanese chicken curry with relish of the 7 lucky gods. Nice. Okay, I can't show you the whole book, so I have to skip ahead, but it's so cool. Ooh, here's how to make a what? A flower viewing bento box. Flower viewing is very important. Now we're in part 2. Kazu sweets and beverages. The recipes here build off the pantry recipes in part 1 into a full expression of Japanese home cooking. My emphasis is on adapting traditional recipes so that they work with the wide range of ingredients available to me locally in California. Good job. Okay. Here's the breakfast chapter. For example, a Japanese American breakfast. Here's soy lees pancakes with blueberry syrup. I don't know what lees means. Mochi waffles with fried chicken. Porridge with kabocha squash and ginger. Okay, I gotta get out of breakfast. Now we're in the vegetables and greens chapter. How about water kimchi with chilled somen noodles? Maybe for summer. Here's potato salada. Japanese potato salad. My neighbor makes that. It's so good. Caramelized satsuma potatoes with black sesame. Perfect for autumn and winter. You can tell I'm waiting for autumn to get here. It's been hot. Koji marinated mushrooms with rice. Okay, next chapter, fish. I'll give you one. Oh, step-by-step photos. Yes, so many. How about wakame soup with manila clams? Okay, skipping ahead to the meat chapter. How about Santa Maria style tri-tip with 5 yakumi aromatics and herbs? And how about grilled lamb chops with spicy miso? Getting to another chapter. Dumplings, noodles, and savory pancakes. We've all been waiting for this chapter, haven't we? Ozoni, New Year's good luck soup. And first garden soba salad with lemon white miso vinaigrette. Here's Peddler's udon noodles with spicy meat sauce. Oh, my boyfriend would love that. Okonomiyaki, as you like it, pancakes with bonito flakes. And now we're getting into desserts. Bean paste something. Strawberry daifuku mochi. I hope there's step-by-step photos for mochi. Look at this beautiful fermented rice drink. Ice pops with pickled cherry blossoms. Wow. Okay. That was pretty cool. That is Japanese home cooking. I think I'm too lazy for the first part of the book, making my own everything to use in the recipes in the second part. So I think I would personally buy the stuff and then make this. But that's me. You probably have more energy than I do. Thank you for watching this cookbook look through and review. You can see more of them at Cookbook Divas on our website blog. You can hear our podcast if you choose to. And we post our videos to Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Bye.